Hello and welcome to Ramsport. Introducing this one-of-a-kind Lotus Esprit Turbo Series 3 in mesmerising ice blue, complete with a stunning matching interior. This exceptional vehicle has already been sold prior to even reaching Welsh soil, and is now in the hands of a delighted new owner. This Lotus Esprit Turbo is a true masterpiece, boasting a unique and captivating colour combination that is sure to turn heads wherever it goes. With its sleek design and powerful performance, it offers an exhilarating driving experience like no other. Whether you're a car enthusiast or a collector, this limited edition Lotus is a must-have. Its exclusivity is unrivaled, making it a rare gem in the automotive world. This vehicle's popularity is a testament to its quality and desirability. Its unique features and undeniable appeal make it the ideal vehicle for someone who appreciates both style and performance. Don't miss out on the chance to be part of a truly exceptional sales experience. Reach out to us today to explore how we can assist with the sale and sourcing of vehicles on your behalf, just like this remarkable Lotus Esprit. Remember, this is a one-of-a-kind vehicle that has already captured the heart of its new owner. Act now and join us in delivering extraordinary cars to passionate individuals who appreciate the principle of automotive excellence. Contact us today to learn more about this fantastic opportunity. From all of us here at Ramsport, thank you so much for watching. We hope you've enjoyed the video and we look forward to sharing more with you going forward. If you haven't done so already, please consider becoming a subscriber to our channel, like the video, drop a comment down below, and thank you so much once again for viewing. And we look forward to hear from you in the future.